Hey, good afternoon, folks. My name is Greg Brooks Landscaping. I just wanted to come back out to this property that we recently finished within about a couple of weeks ago on a rainy day so that you can see how effective our landscape drainage solutions are. Now, as you can see, there was a tremendous amount of water that was coming off of the backside of this landscape, and it was even making itself over to the hill and washing away a lot of stuff. Well, that doesn't happen anymore. With the design of this effective dry creek bed, it deals with that problem once and for all by being able to take in all that water and allow it to exit itself on the back end of the property. We've also put in this beautiful design, and then we also complement it by tying in these gutter downspouts, which is typically one of the main reasons why you see a lot of problems on your landscape. Now, in addition to that, we also put in this beautiful decorative dry creek bed on this side just because we had a tremendous amount of water that was coming from the neighbor's yard. So we had to put this decorative dry creek bed in, and it was absolutely necessary in the way in which we did it in order to make sure that we were not allowing any water to continue to go over the property line and then continue to move itself accordingly however it wanted to. Now it is controlled and it's isolated, and what happens is every time it rains, that water is able to be taken up into this decorative dry creek bed. In addition, we put in a French drainage system. That French drainage system allowed us to be able to complement the landscape in the most exceptional fashion by also working with this beautiful retaining wall block and our eggshell pea gravel. And so now you don't have any more mud that was once being brought over to this landscape, and it's been dealt with in the most effective way. That's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we're always focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. That's exactly what we've done today with this landscape, and I just wanted to show you exactly what it looks like on a day when it's raining so that you can see for yourself how effective these landscape drainage solutions are. Once again, my name is Greg Brooks, and I'm with Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.